Okay, how you see? They're getting all nice and toasty. Let's add the onions in there. You can use whatever kind of onions you want. Give it some color. Use the purple onions, like when my mom or we make pozole, we try to use a purple onion too, because it kind of looks better than a plain old white onion. Gives it some color. All right, get back and then watch you in a little bit. As you see, it's frying up just good. When they're nice and toasty, it depends how you like it. Some people like it not too toasty, the chips. I like them, half and half, whatever. However they come out. And then you add the egg. And then the sauce. And then at the end, you add the cheese and you cover it. And that's how you do chilaquiles. With a side of beans or some rice. You're all good. That's breakfast. Mexican style. But like I said, for the sauce, use one of those two right there. You can't really see it because of lighting. El Pato or Victoria. These will make good sauces. If you don't got time to make the whole process of making the sauce, go with that. Because like I said, the sauce makes the chilaquiles. And you don't want a sauce that's going to have like seeds and stuff like that, Like if you make your own sauce, you have to strain it and everything. Because you don't want no seeds in your chilaquiles. You want it to have, just like the puree. So yeah, that's how it goes. I'll be back in a little bit. All right, let's put in the egg now. I'm gonna put some pepper and some salt, a little bit of water, just a little bit, no, don't put a whole bunch of water in there. So you're gonna let it cook for a little bit, and then you're gonna just start moving it around so all the egg get nice and cooked. And then we're gonna add the sauce. See, I prefer this one. This one I prefer. You can get it in any Mexican store. You can get the red kind or the yellow kind. Doesn't really matter. It comes out good. The red one is a little bit hotter. So if you're not too fond of something being hot, get the yellow kind. Gives it a good taste. And this one's also hot, so it just depends. Alright, it's been a little while. Look at the eggs are nice and cooked already. Let's add the salsa. As you see, I added the cheese already. And we're gonna cover it up. Cover it up, put it down a little bit. It's almost done. Look how beautiful that looks right there. See this right here? I put a little bit of yellow cheese too. This is ready. And you know what? I don't like. Put this a little closer on one hand. Nice and cheesy. Boom. Some people eat this with tortillas. I don't like eating this with tortillas. You already have enough tortillas there. I was like, I'm gonna eat it with tortillas. That's what I tell my mom. It's like, we're eating tortillas and you're giving us more tortillas. It's like, no, that's enough. Now that's a good breakfast right there. I added some cotija cheese to my beans. If I wanted a little bit spicier, I got La Victoria right there sauce. Let's have breakfast. Hope you enjoyed the video.